So we are backstage getting ready for Milani's first dance performance, and it's complete chaos back here. So I'll see y'all in a minute. I'm gonna go back there to the stage. So I have to go from watching to running behind to the backstage to get Milani dressed in her next outfit for the next show. So see me there, run, yeah? Who can't hide more than me? You ready for your last show? I redid her makeup.
There you go.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go.
You got a present?
You're joking. Yeah.
Nice. Woo, woo, woo.
Okay. Love you. You need something? Let me know. Okay. Love you.
Hey, you need to cut your pasty tape again. More off.
Nice.
Underneath here. Stop.
Alrighty.
No, it's on it. On the book.
You gotta probably look for the
Yep. Mama, there's some people that need some face.
Yeah, you can put the face on. On there.
Let's see. They're so neat. Mama.
So Milani's first show was at 2. She had one group dance, then a solo. Her next class is at 5. We have to pay a whole new fee to get inside to see her at 5 again. In here is chaos again. And I'm waiting on her dad. Her dad went to go get her some flowers and get her a gift bag so I can put her present in. But yeah, I'll see you when I run from in here to the stage to see her perform. I'm on some real dance mode stuff. Yep. Girl, I is tired. Okay, I am tired. Between running from backstage to here, tired. So we are home. Took off my makeup. It's been a long day. I'm tired. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Good morning. It's super early. I woke up at what, 4 a.m. to do my videos because I'm trying to participate in Christmas. I don't normally do Vlogmas because I already vlog every week, so I feel like it's kind of redundant to me. But now I want to challenge myself, so I'm challenging myself to put up 10 videos until Christmas. And it's very hard for me. Okay, I've been so comfortable in my content creation and just going to school and taking care of my kids and my house and my family that I have not been challenging myself as far as YouTube is concerned for a very long time. And now I'm back on it. If you guys remember, I used to upload one video every single day before Milani was born. After Kai was born, before Milani was born. And I suffer from postpartum depression when I had Milani, and I stopped uploading. That's a whole different story for a whole nother day. But I stopped uploading on social media, and it kind of like tanked my income. It tanked everything. So I'm challenging myself in 2025 to get back my income where it used to be on social media and collect that back. So I'm definitely doing 10 days of Christmas here on YouTube. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far because I'm mixing up lifestyle commentary and fashion things and putting them up for 12 days of Christmas, and I think it's gonna be fun. I'm doing hair, I'm doing makeup, I'm doing commentary, I'm doing gift guides, I'm doing wish list, I'm just doing everything. Vlogs, you got it all. So yeah, you can do both sides if you want to. So it's later, we're at the library and they have activities to do at the library.
Mama,
So
when they go start the thing. Hi guys, so I'm gonna draw the seesaws and then I'm gonna do it.
I'm drawing the roof to run
are you gonna do the back?
I'm just gonna
No.
stay here and help you if you need help.
I'm
I'm gonna do
doing
the seahorse
this.
now because that's how seahorses look like.
And you're doing a reindeer. See what mommy is doing.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna make mine for Santa Claus, but he doesn't want to make it on.
Let me see your stuff off.
Mine too. Look at mine.
What's that? Oh, nice. I like it.
And then this is for Santa's. This is Santa, so he can put it on his stuff.
You can put it on his sleigh.
Yeah, if he wants to.
Makai. And then this is my one. You're not bringing any of them home?
I'm bringing this one home.
What? Then where are you going with it? It needs the string.
Mommy, can
Yes.
I have red?
Yes, you can have red. Watch them balling for who's gonna sit at the front while I'm struggling with 60 books. the door bit. So it's the next day. So after I left the library, I came home, opened the door to see my water full of juice. Juice from my daughter's cup that was leaking out in my bag. I was freaking the hell out, okay? I had to dismantle my whole camera and put a hair dryer to it. Ugh, sorry. And luckily I have two of the same kit lens that I bought. So I went and got my other kit lens after I dried out my camera with a blow dryer, because the other one was not working. It would not extend out at all. I guess because it was full of water or juice or whatever, and it was blurry. But anyways, it's the next day. It's super early. It's like 4 a.m. I'm up. I'm about to film some content. Today is Milani's Winter Wonderland performance with her school. So I'm going to vlog that. I guess this vlog is just going to be about Milani. So with that being said, I'll see y'all later. So I'm finished with my makeup. As you can hear babe back in the video doing morning thoughts, but I'm finished with my video. I wanted to do a makeup video and I did that, but I don't want this makeup to go to waste. I feel like it looks so good. I'm gonna drop off Milani at school a tiny bit early, 15 minutes, come back, spend about 30 minutes doing some outfit videos, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. So that's what we're gonna do. And before I go to the gym, I'm gonna wipe all of this off, but I don't want it to waste. So your girl is gonna do some outfit videos, some holiday outfit. I already picked out some and they're right there. I think I'm gonna try doing 4. Normally I would like to do 5 or 6, but because I'm hurrying, yeah, we're only gonna get 4 done. So I'm gonna go pick out my gym clothes and drop Milani off, and I'll see y'all when I come back. Oh wow. I'm gonna put on my pants though. This is the part that you guys don't see. Why did I put my pants on back and front? Because I'm trying to hurry, get this video done and go to the gym. We are going. And she's ready for the gym. And she got what she wanted to do done. Mwah. I'm back. I'm tired. So we're at Milani's school winter performance. This is Milani performing with her class for winter. So I forgot to bring my camera.
What? My wife's done.
So we're home. Malani had an amazing performance. See y'all when I see y'all. Probably on Saturday when I go Christmas shopping. Anyways. So excuse my hair. My hair's a mess. But I need somebody to do some research on all the things that kids won't eat in your home, but as soon as they start going to school, they want to eat it. So every morning I wake up, I make my son breakfast. His favorite thing is omelet or corn dogs or something, and I make sure I wake up early, get him breakfast. Now since he's been going to school and he has friends at school, he's like, his friend eats cereal and hash browns and stuff at school, and I don't want to eat an omelet. I'll eat it when I get home. I'm just like, okay, Kai, so that means if you're going to eat breakfast at school, you're just gonna have to hurry up, get it together, and get to school early. Before, Kai wouldn't eat a corn dog to save his life. He's super picky. It's all about fruits and vegetables with Kai. Now he wants to eat corn dogs and cereal, and I'm glad that his palate is different and increasing, but I feel like I'm losing my baby. I don't know my child anymore. But yeah. Also, there is a ban. So they just put in effect a ban in Florida where no kid under 16 years old can go on social media. And ever since Kai and Malani started school, they have no access to any devices from Monday to Friday. At Friday, when they come home from school around 3 p.m. or 4 p.m., I'll hand them their devices. I have a set time of when they're allowed on the weekends on their tablet, and when the tablet goes bye-bye, it's time for bed. Because I used to have problems with my kid when I say, oh, it's time for bed, it's time for you to get rid of the tablet. So I downloaded an app that's connected to their tablet, and it just say it's not time to be on your tablet yet, or at night it says it's time for you to go to bed. And I don't have that problem with them anymore. We don't argue. I don't have to take the tablet from them. I don't hear any screaming and fussing. All I hear is, Mom, my tablet is saying it's time for bed. And I say, okay, it's time for bed, Kai or Malani. But the ban in Florida, I am here for. I don't think kids under 14 or 14 anyways, or 16 should have access to any form of social media. I feel like it's addictive, and a lot of the content is not age appropriate or age restricted. So I'm here for it. I monitor my kids. I make sure my kids have stuff to do during the day. But for other people, I know it may be difficult, but it just takes a little bit of extra time and effort. I take my kids to the library. I take my kids to Sky Zone or Defy. I take my kids on walk to the park. I take my kids on the track where they ride the bikes and stuff. During the week, I intentionally find things for my kids to do. So, with that being said, what do you guys think about the band? And I will say Kai have been doing amazing at school. He's been testing above his grade level, and we are going to have to probably do some adjustment for him going to school next year, because I feel like he's not being challenged and he's not where he's supposed to be right now. But with that being said, they deserve everything that they got for Christmas. They had a great Christmas holiday, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. And happy Christmas and happy New Year from my family to yours. Deuces.